Japanese researchers are using the latest technology to unlock some of the mysteries of the past. They want to know more about some artifacts they've found. But some pieces are too old, fragile, and valuable to examine by the usual methods. So the researchers have turned to 3D printers.
A bronze disc, polished till it gleams. In ancient times, objects like this were used as mirrors. They were also thought to have magical powers. When the light is reflected onto a wall, mystical designs seem to appear. According to ancient records, 100 bronze mirrors like this were sent from China to the queen who ruled the legendary kingdom of Yamataikoku in 3rd century Japan. This is a perfect replica produced using a 3D printer. And this is the original. It's about 20 centimeters in diameter. Because it's corroded, it doesn't gleam or reflect the light. It cannot be polished due to its massive historical significance. Researchers at the Kyoto National Museum set out to find out more about the mirror. The first step was to take extremely accurate measurements of the original using lasers. Next, they determined the composition of the bronze in the mirror. Using copper, tin, and other metals, they were able to create an exact replica by means of a 3D printer.
It's come out beautifully. The more I research, the more I'm in awe of the technical ability of the ancients.
This state-of-the-art technology is unlocking the secrets of these mirrors and their mysterious reflections. This so-called magic mirror phenomenon occurs if the surface is polished until some parts are just 1 millimeter thick. The raised-up patterns on the back create variations in the thickness of the bronze. When the surface is polished, the areas where the bronze is thinnest distort slightly. Where it is thicker, there is no distortion, so the polishing causes a slight indentation, matching the patterns on the mirror's back. When light hits the mirror and is projected onto a wall, the minute variations in the surface create the mysterious patterns in the reflection. Murakami thinks these magic mirrors may have been used by rulers to boost their mystique and win more political power.
This discovery is one of the greatest achievements in modern replication techniques. I really feel it makes that ancient history come alive.
More and more archaeologists are using 3D printers in their research studies. The Kyushu National Museum has used 3D printing to replicate a Buddhist statue from some 8 centuries ago. This shows the statue's interior, which can never be seen. The researchers have now confirmed the mechanism used for securing the crystal eyes. They were also able to see that the body of the statue has a hollow section containing a scroll.
There's not much we can do to cultural treasures. We can't look inside them or turn them over. But using 3D printers, we can make perfectly accurate reproductions, which we can handle for our research. I think we're about to see a leap forward in our archaeology studies.
Thanks to this state-of-the-art technology, mysteries of ancient Japan are starting to be unlocked.